Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Ben from TradingStrategyGuys.com. So this is actually a live look at my mobile phone. I'm actually on the iPhone, and I actually have the app downloaded. And so this is kind of what you'll see when you kind of get in to TradingView app. This is actually the TradingView app, and I'm going to show you today how to get custom indicators onto your chart, onto TradingView. Actually, for that matter, all kinds of indicators, but specifically custom indicators, because here at Trading Strategy Guys, we have a ton of different TradingView indicators, and they are all custom. They're not just the moving averages or anything like that. They all actually have a built-in strategy for it. And so today I'm going to show you how our FX, or actually it's our Strike Trader Elite, but we call it the FX Pulse and FX indicator. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete those off of my chart. So if you come over here, you see all the navigation, and this might change over time, and maybe I'll update this video as TradingView updates their app. But for this specific time, this is where your chart will be. And so you want to go ahead and you want to come over here. I guess we're under here onto the chart, and then you want to come up to the top right here, and then you go to indicators. You want to click on indicators, and then let's back out of this. So invite only scripts is where the script, there's going to be there's many different people who have scripts, which is technically an indicator or a plugin. Some of you may know, but we actually have to invite you to view the scripts. So when you click invite only, these are all of our scripts I actually have access to, because I've granted, I guess, myself access to all of our scripts. So once you actually get access to these scripts, and we have a nice instruction PDF guide that shows you exactly how you can get access to these. We're actually going to have to manually approve. But once you actually do that, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just, like I said, click here on invite only, and then click on the ones that you want. So in this case, we want the FX Pulse strategy and then the Strike Trader Elite Pulse. So what that's going to do is actually put both of those onto the chart. Now you can add, I think if you have a free version of TradingView, you're not going to be able to add, I believe it's more than 3 or only 3 to your chart, which in this case we only have 2, so there's no problem there. But we actually have premium versions, so I think we can add as many indicators as we want, but for this case we're just going to go ahead and just add the 2. And so really that's really all it is to it. Both of the strategy and the indicator is there, and you can see the based on this indicator, if you don't really know nothing about this, you're not going to know what these lines are, but basically that green signifies where you would have went ahead and took profit, and then that red line would actually have been your stop loss. But it works. You can go sideways here, and it actually might look a little bit weird on the video, so I'll go back to this view. But yeah, you can do both ways, and it's a really nice feature that TradingView allows their users to do, especially for a company like us, like Trading Strategy Guides, because we are excited because we're going to be able to reach out to more traders. Say we only come out with a MetaTrader or a NinjaTrader. There's specific markets. Now NinjaTrader does have quite a few markets on their platform, but MetaTrader specifically forex. They do have some crypto, different brokers, but TradingView actually has many. We can just go Bitcoin, and so Bitcoin will be able to work, or any kind of crypto, any kind of stock that you really would want to use. You go to Apple, and so the indicators, all of our indicators will work on any single. It'll work on stocks, forex, and crypto. So if you have any questions about this, I kind of just wanted to shoot out this video specifically for our members. But if you're someone who is trying to decide if you want what platform you want to go to, what kind of indicators you want to go with, We think that Tradingview is the future because it's really nice how it's web-based, so you don't have to install any kind of software. You just go ahead and especially for mobile, you go ahead and install the app. You get access to whatever script. In our case, this specific video is our Strike Trader Elite indicator, and then you have access to that you can go on your mobile, you can go on your tablet, you can go on your smart TV. You can be really anywhere in the world using these indicators. Just you don't have to be sitting at your desk, sitting at your computer, sitting on your desktop, because that type of mobile function allows you to be able to do that. So it's really nice. Tradingview is very great for a great platform for traders that trade a ton of different markets. And so kind of want to give a little shout out to Tradingview there. But we're going to be coming out with many different types of indicators for Tradingview. So a video like this is probably going to be very beneficial for a lot of our members, just so that they can see how that they'll be able to trade with desktop or with mobile, with their tablets. With MetaTrader, there is a MetaTrader 4 app, there is a MetaTrader 5 app, but you're not going to be able to install custom indicators on it like you will with Tradingview. So that's why we kind of wanted to show this to you today. If you have any questions, just hit us up in the comments wherever this video is, and or even just message us at info@tradingstrategyguys.com. We'll be glad to help. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all we wanted to talk about. I'm just going to wrap this up now. And yeah, thanks guys.